Hi there, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to share my new recipe with you. This recipe happened as a result of my wanting to eat plantain porridge and wanting to try out the broccoli and shrimp in garlic sauce that I had just learned. So to kill two birds with one stone, I opted for the option of marrying two continents. Plantain porridge is a common Nigerian dish, while broccoli and shrimp stir fry is common amongst the Chinese. So you see why this meal is a marriage of two continents? These are the recipes I'll be using, and my idea is to make the broccoli and shrimp stir fry meet my unripe plantain porridge halfway. And as usual guys, you can find the list of my recipes in the description box. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Also click on the bell to get notification on all my new videos. So let's get started. First, I'm peeling all the plantain. So these plantains are unripe and so might be harder than usual. So be careful while you try to peel. I ended up hurting my own finger in the process, so be careful while you do this. So when I'm done peeling all the plantain, I'm going to wash them like I've already done here and just cut into small bits. Already at this time I have water on the cooker boiling so I can use to simmer the broccoli. And when I'm done peeling all the plantain, I'm going to transfer them into a pot and put in small amounts of water, just enough to cover the plantain. As you can see here, I'm adding 2 spoons of blended crayfish. So the water is boiled already and I've added the broccoli. I'll leave it to simmer for about 2 minutes, then I'll come back to drain out like you can see. So I've added margarine into the pan as you can see, and I ensure to spread around the pan. The onions are going in and the frying process has started. I've added the garlic. I'm going to fry for about 1 more minute. Then the green pepper goes in. That's the jalapeno pepper. I ended up not using all the pepper that I had grated because I felt it might end up being too spicy, so I reduced it. Next I'm adding is the green onions. So for lovers of vegetables and low fat diet, this is really a good option because number 1, I'll be using less seasoning, and number 2, it's made up of a lot of vegetables, so as against eating a high fat diet. Now I'm going to put in the mushrooms as you can see and continue stirring for some 1 minute. Checking on the plantain is yet to get to the stage we want it to be. So the end point is for the plantain to absorb all the water and get as soft as possible. I'm going to add in the shrimp. So as you can see, all the combination that I've added so far and what we'll be adding makes a good healthy diet. Now I've added the soy sauce. I've added just 1 spoon. You can add more if you would like. I'm also going to check back on the plantain porridge and add in 1 spoon of salt. You can add more teaspoons of salt according to your preference. And now I'm adding the sesame oil. I added 1 spoon also, so feel free to add more if you like. So this is an experiment, and right now I don't even know what I'm doing or what I'm cooking, but I believe it's going to come out well. So I've added the broccoli now, and the stir fry is almost done, except now I have to marry it with my unripe plantain porridge, which I'm just going to check. And as you can see, the water is almost dried up, and I've added in the spinach. I'm just going to cover for some minutes, and now it's dried up as you can see, and I'm just going to mix in in the stir fry, as you can see, and I'm just going to mix all together. So you see this meal has lots of healthy vegetables and protein, no unnecessary seasoning, and no high salt, just little amount of salt and you're there. So at this point I had not tasted what I had made, but eventually when I did, I loved it, and I got one of my friends to also taste and give a verdict. So here, let's hear what she has to say. What is her verdict?
Let's taste the food and tell us what she thinks. So, Priscilla, go ahead. She's bearing her truth. So you can hear the voice of Alicia. She said it's nice. Yeah. Thank you for that. She just wants to show her face, but you would like to retry?
Yeah.
What time?
And I can eat it with rice. Well, I'm weird. I like everything with rice.
Okay, so she's a rice girl. She still wants to have this with rice. But I did not.
Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please leave your comments, and also if you've not subscribed, hit the subscribe button, like my videos, and keep coming back for more. You can also follow me on Instagram at FFTL Inspired. So until I come your way again next time, stay healthy, stay inspired.